specially meant for the students and parents. It was a very nice program and delivered nicely by Mr. Manukul. This was liked by the students, and during the sessions, of course I think this was of 3 sessions, but we could have only 2 sessions. But in 2 sessions, whatever I could gather, that is the need of the time, because the present generation, they require some such exposure guidance, and if it be by a professional, definitely it is going to help the students. We have our own counseling and guidance programs in the schools, but this small program, especially delivered by Mr. Manukul, it was very good, and the way he presented, it has touched each and every child, and especially the students of 7 to 12, they have been benefited by this. And after the session, the last session, which was meant for the parents, that was the best, I would say, because the parents have to cooperate their wards, and they must know the problems of the students. And that way, the way it was put before them, what they have to do, what not, it was a clear message to them that where we miss, if we could take care of it, definitely it will help their wards. So I hope that such programs will help us in improving the teaching standard, providing quality education, and preparing the students for the country. They can really become a successful person in whatever position they be in future, if they take care of such guidelines given by Mr. Manukul. And we hope that at least parents will definitely think of the problem seriously and help their wards in their grooming. So now it's the question of good parenting and good education. So children are the factors, raw materials are with us, they require proper guidance and training. So that what we as teachers, we are also trying our level best, and extra exposure, whether there be any experience from outside or outside agency, this is a must for each and every school. And as our students and parents, they have given their feedback, they would like to have such programs at some intervals. They would love to attend these programs. So I am really thankful to Mr. Manukul for this effort, and I hope that in future also we would be conducting such programs at some intervals to have the better students whom we can also help besides the academics part. Thank you.
First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Manipur for his excellent endeavor towards the betterment of the students of the Liberty School, Jamshedpur. The theme behind this workshop or the program, I personally as a teacher, as a father, as a parent of these 1450 students, I feel proud myself that I could accommodate myself with this space. The total student, what they are derooted, diverted, and they are fully distracted in their thoughts and their attitudes. So in that very juncture, Sixth Sense approach and their activities towards the change in the behavioral pattern of the students of today, rather the future of tomorrow for the country, is very, very much appreciable. And I do hope that it will continue. So it's not the DPS Jamshedpur, it's the entire students community of the country and abroad. They will achieve a great success to main the society of tomorrow, of our great motherland, India. Once again, I thank you, Mr. Manukul, for his effort and his team spirit at this very stage of life. He became the youngest among all, and the smile what he possesses, that I pray to God that smile should continue forever. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.